Hey everyone, welcome back to Simply Learn's YouTube channel. Today we are diving into generative AI, a game changer across industries. Let me share you a quick story. Imagine you're a marketing manager working late on a crucial presentation. You need catchy copy for a new product launch and turn to your company's new AI writing assistant. With few prompts, it crafts the perfect text, and you're done much earlier than expected. This isn't science fiction, it's happening right now. From writing assistant to image generators, generative AI is revolutionizing how we work and create. But here's the kicker. As amazing these tools are, they need skilled humans to guide them. In 2024, mastering generative AI skills is essential. Companies are racing to integrate AI, needing people who understand and can effectively use these systems. It's not just about tech companies either. Banks, healthcare, retailers, and small businesses are all on board. In this video, we are going to break down the key skills you need to master generative AI. Don't worry, if you're a non-tech whiz, we'll start from the basic and build from there. By the end, you'll have a clear roadmap of what to learn and from where to start.
Craving a career upgrade? Subscribe, like, and comment below. Dive into the link in the description to fast-track your ambitions. Whether you're making a switch or aiming higher, Simply Learn has your back.
Before we commence, if you want to enhance your career in AI, here's some quick info for you. Check out Simply Learn's postgraduate program in AI and machine learning with Purdue University and IBM. This program is perfect for aspiring AI enthusiasts and professionals looking to switch careers. Gain expertise in generative AI, prompt engineering, ChatGPT, explainable AI, machine learning algorithms, and many more. A year of experience is preferred, so hurry and enroll now. Find the course link in the description box and in the pinned comments. So let's get started. So let's start with the first topic by understanding why learn generative AI skills in 2024. As businesses rapidly adopt AI technologies, the demand for workers and expertise in this field is skyrocketing. Job postings requiring generative AI skills have increased by over 1800% in 2023. According to the recent report from Lightcast, positions like prompt engineer and synthetic data scientist are becoming increasingly common. Moreover, generative AI is transforming hiring practices and creating entirely new roles. Companies seek professionals who can leverage to automate tasks, improve efficiency, and drive innovation. On average, salaries for generative AI roles are 47% higher than those of traditional software development positions, with many exceeding up to $174,000 annually. Furthermore, job descriptions increasingly emphasize the ability to work with large language models, optimize prompts, and integrate AI capabilities into applications. As job market evolves and companies increasingly prioritize generative AI expertise, professionals must adapt to stay competitive. Developing a strong foundation is the most sought after generative AI skill, which is very crucial for capitalizing on emerging opportunities. By mastering these competencies, you'll be well positioned to thrive in rapidly changing digital landscape. So let's talk about the top 10 skills which you need. At first, we have integrating with AI chatbots. Interacting effectively with AI chatbots is a fundamental skill for professionals aiming to harness generative AI in their work. Beyond automating customer services, these chatbots represent a shift towards more natural user interactions. Professionals who communicate well with AI chatbots can provide prompt, personalized responses to customer inquiries and offer tailored learning experience in educational settings. As generative AI advances, new roles like AI ethicists and data curators are emerging, requiring a nuanced understanding of how this technology serves different industries. Chatbot interaction skills also lay the foundation for mastering prompt engineering and API usage. To apply these skills in current roles or advance in this field, professionals should seek practical opportunities through real-world projects or simulations. Staying informed about generative AI trends will highlight areas for innovative application. As more organizations adopt this technology, proficiency in AI chatbot interaction will position professionals to make a meaningful contribution. At number 2, we have writing basic Python programs. Writing basic Python programs is a fundamental skill for working with generative AI and advancing your career. Python is one of the most popular programming languages for AI development, and proficiency in it opens up opportunities to implement algorithms, customize advanced models, and innovate in this space. In a professional setting, basic Python skills enable you to automate repetitive tasks, analyze large datasets, and contribute to cutting-edge generative AI projects. This increases your efficiency, creativity, and marketability as organizations increasingly adopt this technology. Python programming also prepares you for future advancements as the AI landscape evolves. At number 3, we have designing data structures using Python dictionaries. Python dictionaries are a crucial skill set for generative AI professionals who work with large, complex data sets. Dictionaries provide an efficient way to store, organize, and quickly access data using key value pairs. This is especially important when building and optimizing applications that use AI. Mastering Python dictionaries prepares you to structure and process data model for training, efficiently search for and retrieve specific data points, transform data representations for feature engineering, and also optimize data pipelines to boost system performance. With practice, you can apply these skills to create innovative generative AI solutions and advance cutting-edge technologies. At number 4, we have implementing object-oriented programming concepts. Object-oriented programming language is an essential skill for developing generative AI applications that are maintainable and scalable. OOP organizes code into reusable objects, making it easier to manage complexity as AI system grows. By structuring code around objects that encapsulate data and methods, developers can update specific components without disrupting the entire system. At number 5, we have using an integrated development environment. Using an integrated development environment, IDE, is a critical skill for efficiently developing generative AI applications. IDEs enhance productivity by maintaining features like syntax highlighting, code completion, debugging tools, and version control integration, streamlining into the development process. In professional setting, you can say that IDEs enable developers to write clean, error-free code faster. This increased efficiency can lead to quicker project turnaround times and more opportunities for innovation. With generative AI technologies, developers can complete coding tasks up to twice as fast when using an IDE. Tools like GitHub Copilot exemplify how generative AI is accelerating software development within IDEs. At number 6, we have making API requests in Python. Making API requests in Python is a crucial skill for working with generative AI technologies. It allows developers to access the capabilities of advanced AI models and incorporate them into applications. With this skill, you can automate data extraction, enrich dataset, and build dynamic tools powered by AI. Using Python libraries like requests, you can interact with generative APIs to complete complex tasks, from text analysis to image generation within just few lines of code. However, working with APIs doesn't require an understanding of query parameters, authentication protocols, rate limits, and error handling. At number 7, we have using OpenAI's chat completion APIs. OpenAI's chat completion APIs plays a pivotal role in creating conversational agents that closely mimic human interaction, an increasingly crucial skill in generative AI landscape. This API enables developers to build advanced chatbots and virtual assistants that provide personalized, contextually relevant responses. By leveraging the power of large language models, these AI agents can engage in natural conversations and handle complex user queries, revolutionizing industries from customer service to education. However, effectively utilizing this powerful tool requires a strong understanding of prompt engineering, conversation state management, and API request optimization. Overcoming these challenges is crucial for professionals aiming to harness full potential of generative AI. At number 8, we have managing conversation states in chatbot application. Effectively managing conversation state is a critical skill for creating advanced chatbots that deliver personalized, contextually relevant interactions. By maintaining context across dialogue turns, developers enable AI agents to engage in more natural conversations, enhancing the user experiences. As businesses increasingly adopt conversation AI, the ability to create chatbots that maintain coherent exchanges is becoming a highly valued skill. Proficiency in this area demonstrates expertise in leveraging generative AI technologies like transformers and deep learning models to build intelligent, user-friendly interfaces. At number 9, we have crafting effective prompts for LLMs. Crafting effective prompts for large language model is critically for producing outputs that meets user needs. The quality of the input prompt directly impacts relevance and utility of the text generated. When prompts lack precision, LLMs face a garbage in, garbage out scenario that leads to poor results. Prompt engineering techniques can enhance LLM performance through effective prompting. As generative AI reshapes the job landscape, prompt engineering is emerging as a crucial skill. Professionals who can craft highly effective prompts will be well positioned to maximize the potential of LLMs across industries. Let's now talk about the last skill, which is integrating AI functionalities into web application using Streamlit. Adding AI capabilities into web apps is a high-demand skill as more organizations leverage generative AI. Streamlit simplifies the process, enabling developers to create interactive AI-powered applications quickly and easily. With Streamlit, you can integrate advanced functionalities like personalized recommendation, predictive analytics, and natural language models into your web app, all with minimal setup and coding. So as you can see, mastering the top generative AI skills is highly crucial for career success in today's rapidly evolving digital landscape. So this was all for the video. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos by Simplilearn.
Hi there, if you like this video, subscribe to the Simplilearn YouTube channel and click here to watch similar videos. To nerd up and get certified, click here.